Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, as you people know, in the previous video we have completed the poem Gone. And then the new words and question answers are being sent to you people by the assignment. Children, today you will be receiving the video of the grammar part behind the poem, whatever is given. Yes, I have explained in the video how you have to solve the grammar part, and you have to write the grammar part after writing the question answers only. So today I am back with the new lesson, that is Ali and Ammi. Yes, the new lesson is what? Ali. This is the story about the festival and about the mother and the son, how poor they were and how they used to lead their life. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರು ಬಡವರಿದ್ರು. That we are going to study in this lesson today. This is unit 8, lesson number 8. Unit 8, lesson number 8. The name of the lesson is Ali and Ammi. Ali and Ammi. Yes. This is the story of a Muslim boy and a lady, because they people only celebrate the festival Eid. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಮಂದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈದ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೀಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್? ಹೌ ದ ಮದರ್ ವಾಸ್ following the son, how she used to fulfill all his needs, and how he was loved by the mother and how the son was loving the mother, we are going to learn in this lesson today. Yes. Ali lived with his Ammi in a small house. See, Ali, a name of a boy. Yes, this is the Muslim name. How do you know? Muslim mandi hesaridu. Ali. Ali is the name of a boy. Ali, who is Ali? Ali is a boy. The name of the boy, children. Yes, Ali is the name of a boy. And what they call mother? What they call mother? Ammi. In their language, mummy. You say mummy, awwa. You call amma. You say. Yes or no? In English, we call for mother, mummy, mom. Yes? In your language, you call awwa, amma. So like that, really same. In Muslim, for mother, they call Ammi. Yes, they call Ammi for the mother. So here, Ali lived with his Ammi in a small house. Yes, what was their house? Their house was very small. It was having only 2 rooms or 3 rooms. Small house they were having. Yes or no? And he used to live with her mother in the small house. Who used to live there with her mother? Ali. Ali used to live with his mother. Yes or no? So, he used to live with his mother in a small house. How was the house, children? It was very small. It was not big. It was small house. Yes. Ammi took great care of him. Then what Ammi was doing? She used to take great care of Ali. Why? Because he was the son of her. So she used to take more care of Ali. Your mummy papa also will take care of you people, na? They will bring you dress. They will give all the things whatever you ask. If you are forced to, if you forced your parents to want something, they provide you the things. Yes or no? So they love you. Why they do all these things? Because they love you. They care you. They want you. Yes or no? For that they provide all the things for you people. Yes, same like that only. Ali also, Ammi used to take great care of Ali. She used to take great care of him. More, great means more care of him. Who used to take more care of Ali? Ammi. Ammi used to take more care of Ali. Why? Because he was her son, her child. When Ali was very young, his father had died. See, when Ali, he was very young, when he was very small child. Young ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅತಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ young. Young means small, smaller child we say, younger child. Elder means bigger child we say, big child, not bigger, big child. Then younger means we say small child, ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಸಣ್ಣವರು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, like that. Yes or no? So same like that only. When Ali was very young, when he was very small, the boy Ali, when he was very small, his father died. Died ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅವ್ರ ಪಪ್ಪ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು? ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. He was very small in his age. That time only Ali's father, he died. So here, father. Father means what? Papa, daddy, appa, you call. Yes or no? Yes. Ali was very fond of his Ammi. Then no father was there for Ali. Then as he was growing with his mother, he became very fond. He used to love. Found andre enu baala preeti. He had found. Underline these words in your textbook, children. He was very fond. He used to love her mother like anything. He used to love more. How you people love your mummy papa? You love or no? Yes, you love your mummy papa more. Huh? Mummy papa ne nim jeevana. Yes or no? You say, mummy papa, I love my papa more. I love my mummy more. You say, I love my mom, dad. You say, yes sir. Same like that only. Ali also used to love her mother, his mother more. He was very much fond of his mother. So here once again I'll read this stanza. Ali lived with his Ammi in a small house. Ammi took great care of him. When Ali was very young, his father had died. Ali was very fond of his Ammi. So Ali was a very fond. He was a very small child, and Ali and Ammi, they used to live in a small house. And then Ammi used to take lots of care about Ali. Great care, more care about Ali. Then Ali was very young. When he was very small child, that time only his father died. That means he expired. Tirhodru. So Ali was very fond of his Ammi. So Ali, he was very fond. So Ali, he used to love her mother like anything. He was loving her mother more. Balashtu preeti ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಅವನ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಅವನು. Used to love her mother more. So he was very much fond of Ammi. Who was very much fond of Ammi? Ali. Ali was very much fond of Ammi. Who used to take more great care of Ali? Ammi used to take great care of Ali. Whose father expired? Ali's father died. How big he was? He was very young when his father died. Yes or no? Yes. Ammi was a seamstress. She stitches clothes in order to send Ali to school. Then when Ali's papa expired and Ali's papa died, then who is to take care of the home now? Who is to give the money? So what Ammi used to do, Ali's mother, Ammi, what she used to do? She used to stitch the clothes. Why? To send Ali school, to pay Ali's school fees. Yes or no? To pay Ali's school fees, what Ammi used to do? She used to stitch the clothes. Stitch the clothes ಅಂದರೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಲಿಯೋದು. She used to stitch the clothes for Ali to send him to school, to pay his school fees. To pay his school fees, to pay the money. Yes or no? Even your mummy papa will pay your school fees or no when you are coming to school? Yes or no? Same like that only. Ammi also, she used to stitch clothes. She used to work. Then when she used to work, she used to get the money. Yes or no? Then after getting money, what she used to do? She used to take that money and pay Ali's school fees. Now when you go to the shop, you buy the clothes, or when you go to the tailor, you stitch your dress, chudi and all. Then the tailor will give you like that way only? No, he will tell, give me money. Yes or no? The tailor, he will ask, give my paisa. Give my paisa, I want my paisa. Why? Because I have stitched your clothes. Yes or no? Same like that way only. Ali's mother also, she used to stitch the clothes. And with that, she used to earn some money. And that money, she used to pay the school fees of Ali. Yes or no? So, Ammi was a street mistress. She stitched clothes in order to send Ali to school. To send Ali to school. Without paying fees, they will take your admission in the school? No, they will not take. In good schools, you have to pay the fees. Then only they will take you. Yes or no? Same like that only. Ali's mother, she used to stitch the clothes. And when she used to get that money, with that money only, she used to pay Ali's school fees. Yes. Ali knew that they did not have enough money, but Ammi always gave him whatever he needed. Ali was knowing, Ali, the boy, he was knowing, Mummy is not having more money, Ammi is not having more money. But still, Ammi used to give him whatever he needed. Whatever he needed, she used to provide him. She used to give him. So here, Ali knew that they did not have enough money. Enough. She did not have enough money. Enough andre balashtu. And then stitches. Stitch. What she used to do? She used to stitch the clothes. Who used to stitch the clothes? Ammi used to stitch the clothes. Clothes means what? These clothes what we wear on our body. These are called as what? Clothes. Batte. Yes or no? Yes. Ammi was the sea mistress. She stitches clothes in order to send Ali to school. Ali knew that they did not have enough money. ನಮ್ಮಷ್ಟ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. They did not have enough money. But Ammi always gave him whatever he needed. But what Ammi used to do? Whenever he used to say, my miss has told me to bring a book. My miss has told me to bring a card sheet. My miss has told me to participate in the competition. So I have to pay some money. Then Mummy used to give him everything. Sometimes she used to say, I want toys. I want ice cream. I want sweet. But still, the mama used to provide him everything. Mummy used to give him everything, whatever he needed. Everything she used to provide him. Yes. It was the festival of Eid. Ali was feeling very happy. Then one day, the festival came. What was the festival? Which festival it was? It was Eid. Eid. Eid is what here, children? Festival. Eid is the festival. So, how we have Makar Sankranti, Nagara Panchami, Ugadi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Deepavali, Dasra. Yes or no? We celebrate all these festivals. Huh? Same like that only, they people, the Muslim people also they celebrate Christmas, Ramjan, and then Eid, Bakrid, Muharram. Yes or no? These all festivals the Muslim people celebrate. They celebrate Ramzan also. They fast for 1 month. Early in the morning they eat. Again at the night they eat. Yes or no? Whole day they will be fasting without drinking a drop of water. Muharram also they celebrate. They prepare chonges. Yes or no? And then Bakrid, Eid Milad. So many festivals they people also celebrate. How we have festivals? I said you just now, Makara Sankranti, Ugadi, Nagara Panchami. Yes or no? And then Ganesh Chaturthi, Dasara, Diwali. We celebrate so many festivals. Yes or no? Same, all religions have their festivals. Yes or no? So, when it was the festival time, and which festival was there? Eid was there. Which festival? Eid. So here what happened? Ali was feeling very happy. On that festival, Ali was feeling very happy. He was very happy to celebrate the festival Eid. Then what happened? Every year, Ammi gave him some money to spend. Whenever there is a festival, what the people do? They give khushiyali desi. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, with their friends and all. Same like that only, Ammi used to give him some money every year whenever there is a festival called Eid. Then every year Ammi gave him some money to spend. She used to give some money, 100 or 50, 150, she used to give him to spend. This year she had given him 15 rupees. This year what happened? Ammi gave him only 15 rupees. 15. 15 rupees. In words we write like this way. 15. What is that? 15 rupees. She gave him 15 rupees. How much she gave? 15 rupees. 15 rupayi. Eshtu? Bari 15 rupayi. See what happened. Every year Ammi gave him some money to spend. This year she had given him 15 rupees. How many rupees? 15 rupees. She gave him only 15 rupees this year. Ali went to the Eid fair. The fair was very big. Then what happened? Ali took that 15 rupees from Mama. He did not say, why you are giving me so less today? This is not enough, I want more money. He did not say anything to the mother. He took those 15 rupees and he went to the fair. Fair means what, children? Fair. Fair andre eno? Jatri hogtiralla? You say Machaknur Jatri, Sorgaon Jatri. Today Machaknur Jatri is there. Yesterday Saturday Sorgaon Jatri was there. Yes or no? You go to the Jatras. Jatras are called as what? Fairs. Fairs. What we call them? Fair. We call them fair. Underline all these words, children. Whatever I have marked here, you have to underline in your book. So here. So she gave him 15 rupees. He took that 15 rupees. Who took the 15 rupees? Ali. Who gave him 15 rupees? Ammi. For what? For the Eid festival. Yes. So see, the fair was very big. He took that money and he went running to that fair. Eid fair was there. He went to that fair and as soon as he entered that fair, he saw the fair was very big. Many people were there. More crowd was there. Many playing items were also being set up. So he saw that fair and he felt this fair is very big. He said the fair was very big. There were many people at the fair. I said you know, many people were there in the fair. How when you go to Jatra you see or no, how many people will be there? Thousands of people will come. Yes or no? So like that way only, this fair where Ali had been, this fair was very big. And many people had come to that fair. Then what happened? There were many people at the fair. His friends Rahim and Romi were eating ice cream. Then he met his two friends in that fair. The name of one friend is what? Rahim and Romi. And both of them, they were eating ice cream. What they were eating? Ice cream. They were eating ice cream at the fair. Some children were sitting on the giant wheel. Some children, giant wheel. What is giant wheel, children? Here, I showed you in the previous topic. This is called the giant wheel. This is called the giant wheel, children. Yes or no? This is called the giant wheel. So here also in the fair, many people were there and some children were sitting in the giant wheel. Many children were there. They were sitting in the giant wheel. Ali wanted to buy slippers for her Ammi. Who wanted to buy? What he wanted to buy for his Ammi? Slippers. He wanted to buy slippers for his Ammi. Slippers means what? Chappal. Kali chappali hakondu horaga odaartivalla? Yes. That is called as what? Sleepers. What we call, children? Sleepers. Yes. So when he went inside the fair, he met his two friends. One is Rahim and another one is Romi, the girl. Then he saw both the friends eating ice cream. And he saw some of the playthings in the fair. And many people were sitting in the giant wheel. Many people were there and they were sitting in the giant wheel. Ali wanted to buy slipper for his mother. He went forward. Many stalls were there decorated in the fair. They will keep some stalls. Yes or no? Some playing games will be there. Some cotton cloths will be there. Some vanity bags, some play toys will be there. Some wall decorator pieces with some kitchen items will be there in the fair. They keep many different types of stalls. And one side they keep all the charts. Pani puri, bhel puri, dosi, vada pav, pizza, mirchi, bhaji, and they call that what? Girmit. All such type of things they will arrange in the stalls. So as he was moving one by one the shop, and suddenly he saw a shop of shoes and sandals. And then he went near to that shop and he saw some slippers to his mother. And after seeing at those slippers, he felt, I have to buy slippers to my mummy. I have to buy slippers to my mummy. Then what happened? He went from shop to shop. Just now I said you. He went one by one. He went shop to shop. You go to the market, you buy in one shop only your clothes. No. You go to different shops. Yes or no? You go to different shops to buy the clothes. But the slippers were very expensive. Then he went from one shop to the another shop. Shop andre angadi. And he felt the slippers were very expensive. The slippers were very expensive. Expensive means what? They were very costly. Tutti. Yes or no? Bhala tutti to. Bhala dudu bekittadiki. So the slippers were very costly. Then what he did? They were very expensive. What were they? They were very expensive. Expensive means costly. Yes. Ali did not eat anything. He did not sit on the giant wheel. See, Ali what he did? He did not eat anything there. You come like that when you go to the fair, children. You jati hoda hange bartiri manige? No. You eat something. At least you eat one ice cream. Yes or no? Or one pav bhaji, pani puri, bhel puri, dosa, pizza, whatever you like you eat. Some chaats you eat. You eat something whatever you like. But Ali, when he saw the slippers were very expensive, they were very costly, so he was unable to buy for his mother. So he did not eat anything in the fair. Who did not eat anything in the fair? Ali. Ali did not eat anything in the fair. What was there in the fair very expensive? The slippers were very expensive. Yes. Then what happened? Ali did not eat anything. He did not sit on the giant wheel. Ali had only 15 rupees. He wanted to sit in the giant wheel, but he did not sit. Why? Because only 15 rupees were there with him. How many rupees? 15 rupees. So he did not sit on the giant wheel. He did not eat anything in the fair. He knew Ammi needed slippers. Her slippers had become very old. Why he did not eat anything? Why he did not sit in the giant wheel? Because he was knowing he has to buy slipper for his mother. Why? Because Ammi was not having slippers. Her slippers had become very old. Bala haledagibittitu, adu haradbittitu. Ammi's slippers had become very old. So here, Ali was sad. Then Ali, he became very sad. He became very sad. Then what he did? It was evening. He was tired and hungry. So the slippers were very expensive and he was having very less money. So he could not buy the slippers and he became very sad. What he became? He became very sad. Sad andre dukha. It was evening. Then by the day passed and it was very evening time. Sanjay hotu evening. He was tired and hungry. Then roaming in that fair round with his friend, he became very tired. Tiredness was sustu. He became very tired and hungry. Hungry means hashiv. He became very tired and hungry. He could not buy the slippers for Ammi. Then he could not buy the slippers for his Ammi. Why? Because they were very costly. They were very expensive and he was having only 15 rupees. So he was unable to buy the slippers for Mummy. Then he came back home. Then what he did? He went home back. He went back to the home. He did not buy the slippers. He went back to home. Ali kept the money in a box. Then what Ali did? What Mama had given him the 15 rupees. He took that money in his pocket and he came back home. And the same money he kept in the box. You say piggy bank. Yes or no? If people have piggy bank, na, Mama will give 1 rupee, Papa will give 1 rupee. What you do? You put in the piggy bank. Those who are not having piggy bank, you buy piggy bank today. Huh? Mummy ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನನಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಪಪ್ಪಾಗ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದಿನ 5 ರೂಪೀಸು 10 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕಡೆ 5 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪಪ್ಪ ಕಡೆ 5 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್? He came back home. Ali kept the 15 rupees in the box. He was having a piggy bank and he kept that 15 rupees in that box only. Then he would buy the slippers next year. The money would be double by then. Then what he did? He was not having money. He did not buy the slipper for his mother. He came back home. He took that money and he kept those money in the piggy bank, in the box, and he thought he would buy the slippers next year. One varsha. He said next year when Eid will come, again there will be a big fair in my town. Then I will go to that fair next year and I will buy slippers for my Ammi. The money would be double till then. Then he thinks every day if I put little money in that, then it will be more money. It will be double money what I am having now. Then I can buy the good one slippers for my Ammi. So this was the small story that we learnt today. Yes, children. So you can see here. Once I will read this lesson, children, you keep the finger. Ali lived with his Ammi in a small house. Ammi took great care of him. When Ali was very young, his father had died. Ali was very fond of his Ammi. Ammi was a sea mistress. She stitches clothes in order to send Ali to school. Ali knew that they did not have enough money, but Ammi always had him whatever he needed. Ammi always gave him whatever he needed. It was the festival of Eid. Ali was feeling very happy. Every year Ammi gave him some money to spend. This year she had given him 15 rupees. Ali went to the Eid fair. The fair was very big. There were many people at the fair. His friends Rahim and Romi were eating ice cream. Some children were sitting on the giant wheel. Then Ali went to buy slippers for his Ammi. He went from shop to shop, but the slippers were very expensive. Ali did not eat anything. He did not sit on the giant wheel. Ali had only 15 rupees. Ali knew Ammi needed slippers. Her slippers had become very old. Ali was sad. It was evening. He was tired and hungry. He could not buy the slippers for Ammi. He came back home. Ali kept the money in the box. He could buy the slippers next year. The money would be double then. So, this was a small lesson that I have completed. Yes, children. Now, here we read the lesson. A-L-I Ali. A-L-I Ali. A-double-M-I Ammi. A-double-M-I Ammi. Y-O-U-N-G-N. Y-O-U-N-G-N. F-A-T-H-E-R Father. F-A-T-H-E-R Father. F-O-N-D Found. F-O-N-D Found. E-N-O-U-G-H Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H Enough. S-T-I-T-C-H-E Stitch. S-T-I-T-C-H-E Stitch. C-L-O-T-H-E-S Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S Clothes. E-I-D Eid. E-I-D Eid. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L Festival. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L Festival. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. R-U-P-E-E-S Rupees. R-U-P-E-E-S Rupees. F-A-I-R Fair. F-A-I-R Fair. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S Sleepers. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S Sleepers. S-H-O-P Shop. S-H-O-P Shop. E-X-P-E-N-S-I-V-E Expensive. E-X-P-E-N-S-I-V-E Expensive. Yes, children, you read this lesson and I will be in front of you with the new video again. Thank you, children. Have a great